Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to upgrade our Databricks account from Community Edition to 14-day free trial version. To do that, we are going to need a cloud provider, and for our videos, I am going to choose AWS. Okay, so let's go ahead and create our AWS account first. So here, you can just search AWS free account, then here get a free trial. Okay, and then here we have this option of create a free account. Let's try this one. So it is asking for us to sign up for AWS, root user and account name. So let's fill in the details. So here I am going to choose basic support. Yeah. Congratulations, thank you for signing up with AWS. Now we have an account ready with us. So let's go to our AWS management console. So here we are with our AWS account. So it says EU North 1, but I'm going to choose this EU Central 1. So everything which I'm going to do is in this region, EU Central 1, because this one is closer for me. Okay, so now we have our AWS account ready. So we have also set up this billing and budget. So you can also do it like go to budget, billing and cost, and then here we have that option of budgets. So you can also create here budget, and for now I have chosen 0 spend budget, and you just have to give this budget name and then create budget. Okay, so let's go back to our Databricks Community Edition. So now we have this upgrade now. Let's click on this upgrade now. Pop-up window blocked. So for that I think we have to do, so when I go to Safari and then settings for community cloud, and here it says pop-up window block and notify. So let's make it allow, and then now if we click upgrade now, then okay, so let's sign up, use the same email which we have used for our community edition. Okay, so it says let's set up your first workspace. So enter a workspace name, select the AWS region, and then start the quick start. We will send you to your AWS console where a pre-populated template will cover, create a new IAM role and S3 bucket and deploy the Databricks Workspace. Okay, so let's give a workspace name here. So we can give the AI, you can choose any name. So I am choosing the AI2 Deutsch Labs. Region, so we are going to choose, you can choose the same region where you are going to create your all the resources. So I'm going to choose this one. So start, quick start. Okay, so it will automatically bring us to this page. Make sure that you are logged into your AWS account, so you don't have to log in again. So here we have quick create stack, template, stack information. Okay, so we provide a stack name. So yeah, I'm going to keep this name as it is. Databricks account details, so this is your account, so we can keep as it is. Workspace name is this one. Tag, we are, yeah, so let's keep it all as it is. So the following resource require capabilities, AWS IAM role. This template contains IAM resources. Check that you want to create each of these resources and that they have the minimum required permission. In addition, they have custom names. Check the custom name. Okay, I acknowledge. Then click create stack. Okay, so now it says create in progress. It might take some minutes before it is created, so let's see. So here what it is doing is basically connecting your Databricks account to the AWS account which you want to use. Okay, so if we refresh here, we will see, okay, some of the tasks are completed. So let's wait. Okay, so now it says create complete. even though we see here it like some of them are like create in progress, but here we see create complete, so we are good to go. If we see the resources here, we can see also like what are the different resources which got created. So we have the IAM role, policy, some lambda function, S3 bucket. So yeah, so as it was saying in Databricks, after you are done in AWS, check back here for your new workspace, which will automatically appear. If it takes longer than a few minutes to deploy, check it. Okay, so now in our AWS we are done with our setup. So let's see. So here it says create workspace, but we have already created our workspace just now, so let's not do that again. Okay, so I got an email after the workspace is created, so I think I have to log into my email address and then click on that link. Okay, so this is the URL which I got in my email. So your Databricks workspace is ready to be used. Please log in with your Databricks account credentials. So URL, let's click on this URL. Okay, perfect. So now we have our Databricks full setup ready. So welcome to Databricks. So if I go to my workspace here, so this is our workspace here, the AI2 Deutsch Labs, and here if we see manage account. Okay, so here we have different options, workspaces. So if I click here, so okay, here is our workspace, the AI2 Deutsch Labs, which we have just created. So it says status is running, pricing tier is premium, region we have selected EU Central 1, storage, and we have a meta store here. So for each region we will have only one meta store. Okay, and if I click on this open, then it is bringing us to this page. Okay, so I think now with this one we have our setup ready. Now if we go to our community edition, we have these limited options here, workspace, recent, and then like very less options. And if we see our upgraded version, so here we have like all the different features now available to us. Okay, so this is good. So I think in terms of setup, that's all for this video. I will in our next video we will see hands-on for our Unity catalog. I will keep this video short and see you guys in the next one. Thank you.